everybody. Welcome once again. Here is Rajesh of YouTube channel. Now we'll today discuss about the factor of the crop variety improvements. Okay, so different factors is involved here. So in our crop varieties that affect our crop productions, crop management, crop storing, crops saving from the insects and also environmental conditions and also their productivities and the shape of the fields, irrigations, and the different types of the climatic conditions, temperature weathers, and also fertilizers. Which types of fertilizers we are using, and the depending most important is the soil types. So here is the a lot of factors. With the help of that, we will discuss about the some terms factor of the crop variety improvements. Okay, so factors of the crop variety improvement. Okay, these are the factors of the crop variety improvements. We have written here, sir, and once we will take there are which the crop crop variety improvements are done as these are as follow. These are as follow. Okay, first factor, suppose that we are taking the first factors. What is the first factors? Higher yieldings. Okay, higher yielding. Higher yielding. As we know, that's a higher yielding means that's the variety improvements is done to increase variety improvement is done by improving the productivity of crops. If the crop productions are increasing the variety improvement, automatically it will be required for the public sector and the different sectors that will demand it to variety improvements or improve the quality. Second, we will take the improved quality. Improved quality. So it means that the improved quality is the it's a depend upon the different crops. It's depend upon the different crops. Okay, for example, suppose that we are taking the examples. With the help of example, we will try to understand that. So how will we use improve the quality? Suppose that's baking quality of improvement of wheat. Baking quality of improvement of wheat. Okay, baking quality of improvement of wheat protein quality in pulses. Okay, protein quality in pulses. Okay, oil quality in oils, quality in oil crops, different types of the oil crops is available here. So oil crops can be regulated from the oil seeds and also preserving the quality. Okay, these are the quality. Third, suppose that we will discuss about the thirds, the biotic and the abiotic resistance. Biotic and abiotic resistance. We know that biotic means living, abiotic means non-living components available here. So biotic like a disease, different types of the disease. Okay, so there are different types of disease and infections occurs in variety of the crops. And also abiotic factor means and climate, weather also affect its productivity. So for improvement we have to take such variety that has highly improved for the disease resistance. Also disease resistance variety would be better. Okay, disease resistance variety would be better. And the different types of the changes in the maturity durations, or changes in the maturity duration. Changes in the maturity durations means that if you are discussing about the short durations of the plants and the long durations of the plants, if we are going the short durations of the plants, we will take the many crops in a year, and if we are taking long durations of the plants, we will take some crops in a year. So it is also a change in the maturity of durations that also deals with the study of the crops variety. Okay, so improvement of the crop varieties, and here is wider adaptabilities. And the fifth, suppose that we are talking wider adaptability. What is wider adaptabilities? Wider adaptabilities means that development of the variety can be grow and adapt to different climatic regions that help in establishing crops productions. Okay, different varieties and the wider adaptability adapted in that environments, and as particular environments to develop that crops that will provide adaptability in a higher amounts of the productions and improvement of the variety. So six we will discuss here. Six variety is a wider varieties and a agron desirable agronomic characteristics. Okay, desirable agronomic characteristics. Now we will discuss about the desirable agronomic characteristics. I hope that these words you can understood. It's these characteristics depict good growth and a higher productivity in the plant sowings. Good growth and a higher productivity in plant sowings. What sowings the plant sow that's much characters and performs more than others. For example, taking the examples. Profuse brandings and different types of the crops is available here that has the desirable property agronomic characters. That's characters means that's the some plants have a single branch, and some plants have a grow with many branches. These provide a large productions for these one things. So which types of the crops so we want to grow, and how much crops productions we want to take improving variety. If the taking the main branches is increasing in this areas are preferred characters. So for the suppose that fodder, we are taking the fodders. If the fodder is growing in the fields, the different types of the crops and the crops varieties. So if the fodder have many branches in one plant, suppose there is growing many branches in one plant, so what happens is it happens that that plant will grow and accepted by us at a particular area. The productions will be more in a particular. Suppose that five plants you have grown, and other particular areas you have also same particular area you have grown 5 plants, and the first 5 plants have a much branches, and the second 5 plants gives the only single or 2 branches more than not more than the 2 or 3 branches. So those plants which produce the more branches means that 10 20 to 20 25, that will be a more productive, and it would be an improved variety. So there are a lot of varieties available here, sir. With the help of that, sir, as we can improve the variety. These are the characteristics. I hope that you understood the characteristics. Some I have written here, so something, sir, you have to understood it well. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.